2018 Ford F-250. Replacing the little corner lights in the mirrors. To get to it, you're gonna have to get the mirror glasses out to get to these 5 screws here. The way to get this out, according to Ford procedure, you gotta move this in and up. Then you come in behind here and you pry this off of the motor mount right there with a flat blade screwdriver. Literally all the Ford procedure is said. But you see here, I got 2 broken tabs I got to deal with now. So try and maybe use a pick or something and get as much of these off as you can. Maybe have a buddy help you to keep a little bit of tension as you try and pop these off, whatever ones you can reach to pop that off so this don't happen. But just be prepared to deal with that if it does happen. This one here doesn't even say to use a flat blade, it really just says remove it from the mount. What I did, I got under here with a pick under this one and under this one, and then I got my fingers behind it and just popped it off. And of course you got to take your defrost connectors off and whatever else they got attached, depending on your options. And once you get those out, you got 7mm bolts here, 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 and here. Those are those 5 right there. Then what you need to do is separate this top cap here and pry these down one by one while pushing out on the top cap to get that loose. Now it is connected in the center here too, so you won't be able to get to that. So you're going to pry the top of it loose from the mirror frame, and you're going to go around the edge. Well, before you do that, you need to take, if you have a puddle lamp, take it out because it's going to be in the way, and if you have the temperature sensor here, take it out. You'll see they have little divots right here. This is where you pry to get them out. Take them out, unhook them, and then disconnect this, and then go around the edge and pop all of this loose. And then this will pop off like that. And these lights literally just sit in here like that. Now, I don't know if somebody's been in here and they're supposed to be screws in this and they left them out or what, but this one didn't have any screws. So you got to take this out, go around the edge after you get these out, pop them loose, and then you can get access to this. That's how you change it. Also, if your cap or your whatever is broken too, same procedure, replace any of these parts. This is how you disassemble your mirror. Should leave you with this outer frame right here. And here's a little look at the back side, what everything in the back looks like. In case you need to see anything in there. Yeah, that's how it is. So just get this glass off, 7 bolts, take your top cap loose here, take any puddle lamps or sensors out of the bottom, and then pry all the way around the edge, pop that cap loose, and you can get access to all the guts, whatever you need to change. Hope this helps y'all out.